Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to set up DRIP on Webull. First, understand that DRIP, or Dividend Reinvestment Plan, allows you to automatically use your cash dividends to purchase additional shares or fractional shares of the same stock. This can significantly boost your long-term returns through compounding. We'll walk through the steps to activate this powerful feature within your Webull account, ensuring your investments work harder for you without constant manual intervention. To activate DRIP, begin by opening your Webull application or logging into the desktop platform. Once logged in, access your account settings, usually found under your profile or the main menu. Look for a section related to investment preferences or dividend settings. Here, you should find the Dividend Reinvestment Plan option. Simply toggle this feature to On to enable automatic reinvestment for all your eligible dividend-paying stocks. Enabling DRIP offers several key advantages for your investment strategy. Primarily, it harnesses the power of compounding, allowing your dividends to earn more dividends, which can significantly accelerate your wealth accumulation over the long term. It also simplifies your investment process by automating reinvestments, freeing up your time. Plus, DRIP often allows you to purchase fractional shares, ensuring every dollar of your dividend is put to work. Before fully committing to DRIP, consider a few important points. Reinvested dividends are still considered taxable income, so be aware of the tax implications for your specific situation. Also, DRIP purchases are usually made at the market price on the dividend payment date, which means the price can fluctuate. Always review your statements to confirm reinvestments. And hey, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.